Eriksson. Escobar on the rebound. The cross back post could be for San Jose. It's in the back of the net. We're having a long discussion.
It's the play right before that. Right before that.
And the goal stands.
Yes.
Miguel Almirón looking for Joseph Martinez. This could be Joseph for 29. Joseph against 3. Lays off. Tito Villalba the shot. Goal line save. Spectacular by Guran Kashia. Chance now for Danny Huzen. Long ball. Danny Huzen. It's going to be 2. Brad Guzan. Danny Huzen. And it's in the back of the net.
But then got the ball back. We'll take another look at it. Nice save there by Guzan. Got the ball back. Turned around. Thought the pass was a...
Looking for Josef. Got there first. Julian Gressel now on the right-hand side where he's most comfortable. Pass across the box. Tito Villalba! What a golazo! Tito Villalba from Argentina with love.
Got into the net. Let's take another look. It's worth watching. Boom! Doesn't think about it twice. Right in the corner. Nothing to do for the goalkeeper. And I think it's the right call by Steve Ralston.
Vaco, nice move. Vaco inside of the box, looking to make it 3-1. Vaco, what a goal! What a goal for San Jose! Vaco dancing through everybody and tucking it home. What a goal! San Jose up 3-1.
So let's take another look at him. I mean, they need to be more aggressive on defense, no doubt.
Comes San Jose on the counterattack, and they can make it 4-1. That would be game, set, and match. Aníbal Godoy, Wondolowski open on the left. Nice make pass. It will be Chris Wondolowski. The goal man makes it 4-1. I don't think there's clear enough evidence to call the goal back. No goal!
Bringing it back. Unbelievable.
Here, exactly here, where you said he wasn't
wasn't even looking at the ball.
But now that I see it again, you know that there's a lot of intent behind that. It's to make it 3-2, and this could be a game. Joseph for 29 from the spot. Josef Martinez into the back of the net. And here comes a possible 3-3. Josef Martinez inside of the box. Push from behind. Miguel Almirón on the dead ball, and it's 3-3. LGP to Ezequiel Barco. Almirón wants it. The ball will get to the Paraguayan. Josef Martinez. Back post. Josef! The winner! For goal number 30. Almirón picked him out at the back post. What a nice header. And Atlanta, who at one... It's inexcusable that a handball called a minute and 40 seconds after the play is what will define this game. And that is it, ladies and gentlemen. Atlanta have picked up 9 of 12 points